everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you how you can sideload an add-on in Firefox. So you're going to sideload an add-on in Firefox when you can't find it from the Firefox Marketplace. Download the add-on and it's going to download as an XPI file. If it's in a zip file, go ahead and extract it, and inside you should be able to find an XPI file. Open Firefox and drag and drop the XPI file onto the window, or you can tap the Ctrl+O keyboard shortcut and it's going to open this select file box. Go ahead and select the XPI file from it. And you're going to get this prompt here that shows you the permissions that the add-on needs. Click add and the add-on is going to be installed. And if you need to uninstall this add-on, all you have to do is you have to tap the Ctrl+Shift+A keyboard shortcut, and this is going to open the add-on manager in Firefox. Click this more options button here next to the add-on that you installed, and you're going to see this remove option in this menu. Go ahead and click it and the add-on is going to be removed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.